All right, we are now under a tornado warning in St. Petersburg. I'm going to have the camera rolling, and the camera will pick up whatever it picks up, and I will take shelter in whatever fashion I can most efficiently. Who knows? We might capture a tornado shortly. Well, this is obviously a severe thunderstorm that's approaching us. Winds are in excess of 60 miles an hour, probably gusting up to 70 miles an hour, perhaps even a little gustier depending on how strong that line is, which we're going to find out in a few minutes because that line is about to roll in. So yeah, we have a severe thunderstorm warning and we now have a tornado warning. So there you go. So as of right now, the winds have been out of the southeast. They're going to turn and they're going to come out of the west. And when they come out of the west, they are going to howl at about 60 to 70 miles an hour. Flying debris will be a concern. So we'll have to really be careful here so as not to get... The tornado, though, that this storm is indicating is like a waterspout sort of thing. A waterspout over the water. So it's not a very strong tornado, at least relative to what you get in the Midwest, those big monster tornadoes out there. But, 80 to 100 mile per hour winds in a weak tornado, so to speak. Well, low-end tornado, that's a more correct term. It will do some damage. So, yeah, where that tornado goes through, you might see some gusts up near hurricane force or in excess of the minimal hurricane force when that part of the storm that's potentially producing the tornado and waterspout moves overhead. So we're not on the west side of Pinellas County, we're on the east side. So we'll see what we get out of this area of wind and rain. I think at this point it'd be time for everyone to seek shelter.
Issue, but a lot of the stress that people are having, as you pointed out, is because of money. Somehow, some way, most of the time.
So I'm trying to get the weather on the radio, but see, all these stations are throwing in politics and not weather.
Not all of those people, for someone who's...
So, yeah, weather is tricky to come by when all the politics is going on. Well, politics is going on all the time, but ideally radio stations should be covering tornado warnings a little bit more, perhaps. I mean, to their credit, they did. They relayed the tornado warning. But, yeah, it's important for people to be aware. Now we have government alerts, so everyone on their cell phone, unless you change the setting from its default setting, they get alerted about possible tornado warnings, flash flood warnings, hurricane warnings. Those are the big ones that people are alerted on in terms of severe weather warnings. clouds that are rolling out ahead of the main line of storms. The main line of storms is still to our west. Up to 60 miles an hour or so, perhaps higher than that. And if you get the tornado, you hit the jackpot. You get winds or hurricane force if you're in that area that's directly impacted by the tornado or the waterspout that's likely moving on shore just west of me.
But people feel like, you know, if they own box office Ticketmaster.
The colloquial calm before the storm. See how calm it is? Look at the trees just sitting there nicely. I think I'll stop this video and start another one as this tornado warning storm comes in.